In this video, we will learn 5 side hustles that you can start on 2022, 2023 and beyond. That you can start using all our softwares for free and start making money from today. Links are in the description. You can go grab them right now. It is absolutely for beginners, can be done from anywhere in the world, and anyone can do it with or without technical knowledge. And you don't need experience to start. But before that, I want to show you a grand lie, and lies like this that you are reading and watching every single day that stop you from making money online. This millennial took a gamble during pandemic. Now her startup has raised over $225 million. Well, in this video, we will cover how beginners can make $1,000 a day to $2,000 a day using simple systems. But everybody has a long-term dream like this. That's why we read these type of articles for inspiration and motivation. And every day, these lies distract us from what we should really do in order to make money online. So this article says, when the COVID pandemic was raging in 2022, much of the world was in lockdown and more turned to online shopping, which is true and it makes total sense. But Crisanti Indiana did the unexpected. She expanded her e-commerce business offline. Her e-commerce startup Sociola had just 2 brick-and-mortar stores in Indonesia in 2019. By the end of 2021, the number grew 10 times more, she said. Okay, in case you forgot, you shouldn't by the way. In the US alone, COVID's US body count nears some of Civil War, World War II, and Korean War. The US has recorded over 1 million deaths due to COVID-19. Nobody knew what was going on, what was about to happen. People didn't even know they're gonna live or die. Forget about business. And they want us to believe that this company did the unexpected by expanding their business from online to offline. Wow. Really? This is a grand lie. They did not expand. I will tell you what happened. During COVID, a lot of big businesses closed their outlets. A lot of premium shops at premium points were available at a super cheap rent. They had some money to invest. They took some risk and take those outlets. Well, that's expansion. Mosh, that is expansion. They did expand, but they lied. Look here. It was a risk they took because they could afford. But what they are saying here is that was a well-calculated move for Social Bella, which operates Sociola. No calculation worked during COVID. This is grand lie. Okay, the reason I'm talking about this in this video is because we read these stories to learn, get motivated, and stay motivated to our course of action. And when we see other people are taking smarter actions, smarter decisions, we feel that they are the smarter ones and we are stupid ones. But the truth is, they are doing exactly what I'm about to share with you, the 5 steps in this video, but they're doing it consistently. So stay tuned with me and let me share the 5 steps, step by step. And I will also break down what this website is, how they operate and make money, and I will show you step by step about the business of this website that published this article. I will tell you how they are making money without their own product. And I will tell you what simple basic thing they are doing that is making them all that money. And you, as a beginner, can start today. Step number 1, this website that published this article. You probably already know about this website. They are CNBC.com and they have 145 million monthly visitors, from where they earn $500 million to $1 billion per year. Now, the reason I'm talking about these visitors, because visitors are the currency of internet business. Look at one of our Warrior Plus affiliate accounts. $147,000 looks really interesting. But all this money came from these hops. These are the real people who clicked our affiliate links from where we made all this money. Now, there is one more important thing in this screenshot that I need to explain you that determines how much money you can make. Before I go to that, let me explain why this CNBC.com published this article. This article is actually not for people like you and me who are still in the small scale of internet business. If you look at the about page of CNBC, they define their business as the world leader in business news and provides real-time financial market coverage and business content consumed by more than 355 million people per month across all platforms. So they publish content for the financial market audience, which are the investors. So they published this article in order to attract investors and present this company that takes bold move and well-calculated move even during a world disaster like pandemic, which is absolutely stupid. But they also highlighted the uniqueness of this company. These three people basically started a website called Sociola, which is basically nothing but an online store. But the unique offer of this company is that they sell only 100% authentic products. In this article, they highlighted the rest of the market who are selling like 99% authentic products. 99% authentic means fake, as they have 100% authentic products sourced from authentic brands. They have built a huge popularity among Indonesian buyers. Look at a couple of simple stats here. This simple online store now annually earns $50 million to $75 million, and the total visitors is 863,000 visitors per month. And here is the best part: none of these products are their own products. They source from authentic sellers or distributors of different popular brands, and now they are promoting their website to earn more money from investors through articles like this. What do we learn from this? The two ways to make money online and two side hustles that you can start today. Number one, content marketing. Look at this content. This is a story about a company. And with this content, this website is so popular that they make $500 million to $1 billion every year. And they have 145 million loyal audience. These audience love their content, share their content. And here's the secret I wanted to tell you before. You see this little bounce rate here? Less the bounce rate means more people read more of their contents, visits more of their pages, which is a signal to Google and other search engines that this website is a popular website. People love their content, so they send more and more traffic to this website, and that's why over 43% traffic are from search engine, and they have loyal 44% traffic of their own. So number one, you should have your own website starting today. And number two, publishing your content. So number one, content marketing works. Start publishing your content starting today. But don't worry if you don't have a website and if you hate writing content, because Maven solved this completely. All you need to do is to copy the URL of web pages like this, like copy, and paste it in a placeholder in Maven. Then in one click, you can import the content, this content completely. And in another click, you can rewrite it using artificial intelligence. Then you can add your own image or video and other stuff. Add your own affiliate links in the contents. And when you're happy, just publish the content. Then share it with social media from inside Maven. That will drive you traffic. And because of the awesomeness of your content, people will love it. They will share it across social media. You will get more and more traffic. And when you will get traffic, you will make money. Super simple. Now the side hustle number two is running your own online store. And here comes the problem. A lot of people say that you need your own product, which is totally wrong. You can source other people's products, other suppliers' products, and make online store just like this. You just need to start today. The next big problem for creating online store is cost, because a lot of people think only Shopify is the only solution for creating and running your own online store, which is totally wrong. Shopify is super expensive. You have to pay monthly or annual recurring fees just to start your store. And to actually make money from Shopify, you need more apps or add-ons. All these apps and add-ons are paid and super expensive. For each of them, you have to pay monthly or annual recurring fees separately. But don't worry, you can start using grants. This is our software. You can build your online store on grants using simple 3 steps under 1 minute. This is how the grants website looks like, where you can get your access and you can start for free today. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Look at how it works. Here is a live demo, and all the 23 amazing add-ons and benefits are clearly described here. So don't worry about cost. Don't worry about Shopify. You can start your your online store starting today using grants. It's free to start. Link is in the description. Side hustle number 3. When you go through this article, you will learn about this little link called Soco. Soco.id is a sister concern of Sociola. This smart trio found that if they have their own platform of online product reviews, they can learn about the popular products and they can sell those products in their website according to those reviews and popularities. Plus, they can drive all the traffic to their store from Soco 100% free. Plus, they can attract social influencers to their platform for free. If you look closely, all the users or reviewers of Soco can share their content, their website link in their Soco profile. It looks just like Instagram. So these social media influencers are interested to publish their content in this website to get more traffic to their website and their content as well. Okay, if it sounds too complicated, actually it's not. I meant to say product reviews are popular. People search for product reviews before purchasing. So if you use product reviews, you can get free views from social media, from YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, just like we do. Just like this video, we run 20 plus channels. And of course, for 20 plus channels, we cannot make videos with cameras and microphones. So we use our own artificial intelligence software, Epic. Epic makes videos using image and text. Epic writes video scripts using artificial intelligence and turns those scripts into natural sounding voiceover. Epic makes bite-sized videos and combine those videos in a long video without tedious editing process. And Epic provides 2.7 million royalty-free media files to use in your videos. Making product review videos or any kind of videos is extremely easy. We use Epic and it's free to start for you. Go grab Epic and start today. And that's where we get these hops or clicks to our affiliate links and make money. If you are curious about where we are putting our affiliate links, well, in our product review videos, we put our affiliate links in the description of YouTube videos, just like this. You can see this in literally every video on YouTube. And then we ask our viewers, hey, click the link in the description, just like we're asking you that you can start using all our softwares for free and start making money from today. Links are in the description. You can go grab them right now. Last but not least, this is the smartest one. You should make your content in a way that you can turn them into multiple stories or multiple content. So one piece of content should work for you in many different ways. For example, if you click on the link of this content writer's profile, you will come to this page and you will see the same content was published under 2 different titles. Same content, 2 different stories. One is about her gamble, which is a lie basically, and second is the unique offer of their website, which is how Indonesia's counterfeit problem sparred a multi-million-dollar beauty business. That's it. Don't fall for the lies. So let's summarize. This website reports about businesses to their audience, which are basically investors, because written and text content makes them money. But in case you hate building websites and writing content, use Maven. Maven is free to start. Link is in the description. It will take 2 to 3 minutes of your time to create content like this without writing a single word. Number 2, on their website, they're using video. We make money from videos because videos is one of the best ways to communicate with people, get free traffic from YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, from all different channels using one content, and that's video. But if you don't have time for cameras and microphones and video editing, you can use epic.ai. Link is in the description. It's free to start. Number 3, online stores. They have raised over $225 million from an online store. And they can tell you this big lie story and publish this big content in a website like this because they have an online store. And in fact, they are helping their customers by selling 100% authentic products. If you don't have your online store yet, use grants. Link is in the description. It's free to start. Grants completely replaces Shopify. All the benefits of Shopify and all its add-ons are already built in inside grants. And number 4, product reviews. These guys built their own product review platform just to get all the traffic to their website and sales from their website. They're even attracting social influencers because they have a platform. The summary is product reviews simply work. And even it works for us. We use videos and our websites Epic and Maven to build awesome content, product reviews, get clicks, and make sales. You can do it too starting today. Get Maven and Epic and start simple product reviews. Publish them everywhere. And that takes us to number 5. Make content, especially simple videos, so you can publish them on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and all different kinds of social media. And get traffic from everywhere to your Maven website, to your videos, and to your online store. All the tools and softwares are free to start. Links are in the description. Stop getting distracted by lies and stories like this. Start building your own empire. Get traffic to your own content and make money like this. It's super simple. Start today. If you like our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next one. And if you want to learn the lesson we learned from Twitter's sacked CEO that can make you easy $1,000 per day, like this simple website that's making $10 million per year, then watch this video. If you want to learn about 800,000 customers waiting to buy from your link, then watch this video here. And if you want to learn about 3 AI softwares that can help you earn $70,000, then watch this video here. And if you want to learn how this website earns $53,000 from a $100 million company, then watch this video here. And we'll see you in the next video.